So it's day 3 and this is all we have done. It has been quite the challenge, and I think 10 Hunt almost turned into a nice crispy roast last night.
Yeah, I almost died. It was traumatic.
Yeah.
Welcome to another very exciting edition of Mural Masters. I'm your host, Dick Dickens.
And I'm John Johnson.
Boy, do we got a wild one for you today, folks. Oh, you got that right, John. Let's check in with Kiptoe and see what's going on.
So me and 10 Hunt are out here again in Kansas City. He invited me to Spray SEMO to come paint with him.
I believe this is 1000's 5th time painting here in Kansas City for Spray SEMO Fest.
And it's Kiptoe's very first time here in Kansas City. How exciting, Dick.
And their second time together as 10 Toes.
You know, from what I've been hearing, it's been quite a rough start for the infamous Toes of 10. We had been planning and sending sketches back and forth on this cool wall, but then the parking situation got totally messed up and we couldn't paint for their entire business hours. So we just said, all right, we're not gonna do that wall. And then we found this wall here, so we had to come up with a brand new concept and a brand new sketch. We were sketching all day the first day, trying to figure out a new cool way to put some art up on this wall here. And then the following day, we had to wait for the lift to show up. Ended up having to go pick them up from the lot and then go driving them through the streets of Kansas City to get all the way over here. It was a little intense for sure.
Nothing like a little Fast and Furious boom lift drift to start the week, am I right, John?
Ah, yes, a classic. So we managed to get the lifts over here, and then we had to buff out the whole background here, and that took the whole rest of the day. And then after we were done buffing the whole background here, I asked 10 Hunt if he wanted to start projecting because he likes to project his work up on the wall. So he was like, yeah, let's try that out. We have 2 booms, so he took over the blue one to work on the projection. And as soon as he got up to right about there, I was standing right there on the ground and I looked up and sparks going everywhere. It was crazy. It looked like fireworks coming out of the lift and I was like, what is happening? And he bounced away from the wall and he realized that he touched all these electrical wires that are right on against the wall there.
Sounds like we almost had a 10 Hunt rotisserie there, John.
Yeah, I was about to grab the barbecue sauce. And he was in his pants. He was super scared. And then the lift was broken up top so he couldn't move. So then I had to go to the bottom and like get him down from the bottom of the lift and make sure that he was okay. And yeah, not a super swell start to this wall here. It's been pretty rough. And then he finished up his yellow sketch here, you see there. We only have 1 lift right now. Apparently there's a tech coming to try and fix this other lift here. 10 Hunt went to go do some errands, and then I'm gonna go try and fix up some of my sketch here while the tech tries to come and fix this lift here. So let's do it. All right, dude came and fixed the lift. It was a very easy fix. Now we're back in action. And I think I'm ready to paint, man. 1000, you wanna paint a mural or what?
I think I'd like to paint a mural.
I think I'd like to paint a mural, please.
Sir, I'd like to paint a mural today.
All right, dude, are you ready to rock? Are you ready to roll? Let's go. Looking pretty good, bro, Chacho.
Yeah, dude.
Woo! Looking pretty snazzy. We're digging how it's coming out. And we both got our faces in there. It's a nice way to like show people what it's all about.
Looks like a pretty great start for the first paint day there, Dick. Faces are coming in nicely. Yeah, they did get a late start. Are you concerned at all about the deadline here? They only have 3 days left to finish.
Please, this is Mural Masters, not Mural Monkeys.
I mean, sounds pretty cool. I'd watch that.
Yeah, I'd probably watch that too, actually. All right, bro, what do you think? We're out here, we're gonna keep going. How you feeling today?
Feeling like a champion.
Yeah, woo! start the day with doing this cool like frame around this window here and have him like wearing a gold chain, dangling this like badass iced out frame he's got holding on here. So I'm gonna do that around the window here and have a little interaction with this space here, because there's just so many windows on this wall and I at least gotta use one of them for something cool. So let's do that. To that point where we got to coordinate our lifts because we're start banging into each other. So we have to Hunter finish his green part over here, and I think it'll be a lot stronger on my part if I had the eyes of my character kind of looking down towards 1000's character. I think that would kind of bring it more to life and bring this interaction even closer together emotionally. So let's try that.
So the struggle with the card was crazy. I painted one thing, I hated it, it looked janky, I erased that, and then I was like, okay, so maybe this card is like summoning this bird god. So I kind of like copied Kiptoe's super epic bird up there.
You know what I just realized? What a cool little touch you did putting the Jayhawk bird up there. The what? The Jayhawk, you know, from the University of Kansas. You know this guy? So random, why was that in your pocket? See, that's totally it. Oh wow, yeah. That's cool. Kiptoe's not really a sports guy though. I bet he didn't even realize he did that. Nah, that's a big coincidence. Wanna bet?
Well, dude, I painted that bird on his shoulder, like, just out of my imagination, not realizing that was pretty much identical to this rock chalk Jayhawk bird. There was even a person outside the fence looking at it who was a fan of us, and he was like, oh, did you paint the rock chalk bird up there? And I'm like, the what? I didn't know what he was talking about. And then Tenhan said it again, and he's like, dude, it's like the local sports team here.
It's so insane.
We're gonna pretend we did that on purpose.
We accidentally shouted out the local sports team, so.
Yeah. All right, this is where Tenhan electrocuted himself, so I gotta be careful around this part right here. Try not to do the same thing.
Wow, it's been quite the adventure so far. What do you think, John? This might be my favorite 10 Toes collab yet. Well, there's only one other one to choose from. Well, this one's my favorite. The other one's my favorite too. You can't have two favorites. Yes, I can. No, you can't. Yes, I can. No, you can't. Yes, I can. No, you can't. Yes, I can't. Anyways, you know what inspires me the most about these guys? How professional they are with their presents. What, like they wrap their gifts really nicely? No, presents, like online presents. Oh. They got it all. Social media, website, online store. Not gift wrapping. I think we should make a website, Dick. You and I. Huh. I like that idea. Probably better than these flyers I've been posting all around town. Where do we start? Well, I have the perfect jumping off point with the help of today's sponsor, Zyro. Zyro is your Swiss Army knife of website builders. There's so many tools to customize beautiful pages that are functional and fit your craft. It's extremely fast and easy with like a bajillion templates that'll help you get a jump start. Yeah, but I want to customize our website. Of course. Zyro makes it super easy to drag and drop and flip and flop and truly make it your own. Okay, cool. I don't really have a lot of money to start with. No problem. Zyro is super affordable and we can start building our website for as little as $3 a month. Okay, cool. Can we sell our merch too on our website? Get that merch game going? Huh? Don't worry, I made one for you too. Well, they do have pretty exceptional e-commerce options to kick off our foray into selling our merch online. No, stop. I'm not gonna wear that. We're gonna be the next big thing, I'm telling you. And if you run into a snag, they have 24/7 customer support for all of your questions and concerns. And right now they're running a super duper Cyber Monday special with 86% off plus 3 months free with any yearly plan for a limited time only. 86, did you hear that? Sounds like a killer deal. Use the coupon code Kiptoe or use the link in the description with Zyro.com/Kiptoe. Well, start signing up now. We can start making our killer website. Zyro.com/Kiptoe. Got it. Can I change now?
So, it is the final day of this massive, crazy mural. I'll probably be painting for just an hour, maybe 2, and then I'm gonna hit the road. Let's just jump into it, bro.
Let's do it, baby.
Hell yeah, I'm pumped for this. It's the last day. Yeah, me too. I'm stoked to see how this is gonna turn out. Hey John, what do you think this mural means? Like what kind of stories come up for you? Our story starts with a young woman. She's obsessed with many things, not the least of which is card collecting. She travels the world looking for the rarest cards from across the globe. One of these days, deep in her adventures, she comes across a mystical magic orb. She grabs her favorite card, the Jayhawk, and places her hand on the orb. The eyes on the card begin to glow, and then suddenly, the Jayhawk comes to life, bursts through the card, and in a frenzy of feathers, our mysterious shaman appears. He floats before her, wearing a heavy chain with a frame around his neck. He says, each card that she uses with the orb will grant access to a different entity with special powers. So what's his power? He tells her to look in his necklace, and she can see her future. Whoa, does she do it? She looks at him and she goes, as tempting as that would be, I make my own future, pal. All right, dude.
My dude.
1000's out of here. We had a really great time painting. It was such a blast. Thanks for inviting me out to paint with you, bro.
Anytime, man.
We got that first concept for our third collabo coming up whenever that is, you know?
Oh yeah, we do just have a concept just chilling.
Lying around. So, and if you guys want to check out his side of the story, he's got a really great channel, 1000 obviously on YouTube. You guys probably already know him, and he's got this other side of the story.
I got some special stuff for you guys over on the 1000 channel.
Super special.
10 toes, baby.
Let's do it. Well, John, it looks like that's all she wrote. Let's see those final sexy shots. Wait, hold up. I'm getting word right now. I'm getting word. Okay, yes. Wow. So the building owner, after the artist had left, painted the entire rest of the background that nice navy blue color. This is gonna look good, Dick. Roll the clip. All right, we really smashed this out. What a great time painting again with 1000. There's a few different stories you can pack in here with all the different things they're holding and their emotion going through each of these characters here. And it was a lot of fun to make it happen. If you guys want to pick up some cool Kiptoe merch, you go to Kiptoe.com. I got t-shirts, hoodies, prints, stickers, all sorts of cool stuff over there to spark your fancy. Big shout out to my patrons who are supporting me on a monthly basis. They're getting all sorts of behind the scenes, step-by-step guides. We're helping each other improve our artwork on our Discord server, so check that out. Spray Simo! We did it. Thanks for watching.